Okay, here we go. On your mark.
And this is the Division 4 third heat in this division, third heat boys D3.
Let's go, Varela! Let's go, Josh! Come on, Josh, let's go! Come on, baby! Let's go, Josh! Let's go, Matt! Let's go, Aiden! Let's go, Aiden! Let's go, let's go! Come on! Go, George! Let's go, Diego! Evan! Come on, Diego and Evan, let's go! Let's go, Evan! Let's go, Diego! Come on, Sammy, you got this. You got this, Sammy. Let's go, Mario, you got this. Keep pushing, Mario. Let's go, you guys got this.
All right, Mateo! All right, Mateo, good job! Go, Whitney!
Looking strong, Chris. Noah! Position, Diego. Look great, Noah. Up. 8. Noah. Stay with them, Noah. Stay with them. It's got to be on. It's got to be on now, okay? There you go, Justin. Stay on the heels. Good job. Hold your position. Don't pull yourself. Hold your position. Keep it up.
Come on,
Let's go.
Good position. You're in about 14.
Keep it up there. Vincent. Pick them up one at a time, Vincent. Go, boys. Move together now. Move together. It's up to you guys. Keep moving.
Hold your position. You got this. You got this. Everybody's hot.
Three wheels. Alright, you got 3 right there. Keep picking them off now to finish. Number 65. You gotta push. Number 69. Keep it up, Jackson. You look good, Jackson. Pick them off one by one, Jackson. Come on, Evan.
One at a time. Come on,
That back right there. Look up. Don't start moving on them. Let's go, Alex. Go, Morgan. Marisa. Free road, Marisa. Go. Come, Morgan. Pick them off. 12:34. There you go. Ronan, you look good, Ronan. Go, Caesar. 12:44. Use your arm. All the way, all the way. Go, Josh.
Rodriguez Boy Whitney passing by the start line area. And Santos will be the winner of our heat. A very comfortable 15:40. That's the fastest time of the three divisions. So 3 races in this division. Michael Camilo Torres in second at 15:53.
Great race. Go ahead and get some more. There we go, my man. Bring it all the way in. Bring it all the way in. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go. Right over here, my man. Go ahead and get some more. There we go. Finish y'all. Finish y'all. Finish y'all all the way through.
And Rodriguez Boyce of Whitney, outstanding race. I'm right in there for third, all the way from the 1.5 to the finish. In third place, 16:22. Lael of Laguna Beach, fourth at 16:34. Rodriguez of Costa Mesa, fifth, 16:39. Pelletier of Oaks Christian, sixth at 16:41. Varela of Bishop Amat, seventh, 16:47. Jex of Big Bear, eighth at 16:52. Lockwood of Lutheran, 16:56. And Cordova of Big Bear gets under 17 at 16:59. No team yet with 5 runners across the finish line yet.
There we go. All the way through. There we go, fellas. Go ahead and get some water, but try to keep moving.
Yeah, I did it right. Super good.
Let's finish through, my man. Get all the way through. Get all the way through. Get all the way through. There we go. Hey, right over here, my man. Get some water. Go right over here. Get some water. Right over here. Go get some water. Do your best to try to keep walking, my man. Do your best. Control your breathing. Control your breathing. There we go, y'all. Do your best to keep walking. Don't go down. Don't go down. Here we go. Y'all keep moving.
And Big Bear and Orange Lutheran now both have 5 runners across in this race, across the finish line. And Laguna Beach joins that group with 5 runners across the finish. We do have a little break in races here before we start the girls' races there in this division. We give us a little time there so the coaches who have both boys and girls teams can get back to their girls before they go to the start line. Bishop Amat, Oaks Christian, and Fillmore. Now we have Big Bear, Orange Lutheran, Bishop Amat, Laguna Beach, Oaks Christian, and Fillmore. Those are the 6 teams so far that have 5 runners across the finish. The team scoring can change still. The teams don't officially score until all 5 of its runners cross the finish line. So these are unofficial scores right now. It's Big Bear, Orange Lutheran, Bishop Amat, Laguna Beach, Oaks Christian, and Fillmore.
There we go, there we go. Good, there we go, my man. Let it work. Finish through, finish through. Well, right over to the water, y'all. There we go. All the way through, y'all. Good, right over to the water, my man. Great race, all right? Great race. There we go. Great race. Great race. Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. Go ahead and get some water, y'all. We gotta work it, y'all. We gotta work it. We gotta work it. Great race, y'all. Great race, y'all. Y'all go ahead and get some water. Y'all keep moving. Go ahead and get some water. There we go. Finish through. Finish through. Good. Go ahead and get some water, man. Y'all keep moving. Y'all keep moving. Great race, fellas. Great race. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish, finish, finish. There we go, my man. Good. Go ahead and get some water. Y'all do your best to keep moving. There we go. Finish through. Great job, my man. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Get some water. Finish through, my man. Got finish. There we go. Yeah, y'all go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water. Do your best to keep moving. Do your best to keep moving.
Come on, quit!
There we go. Y'all go ahead and get some water, all right? Great race, fellas. Great race, fellas. Finish, my man. You gotta finish through. Finish through. Finish through. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Do your best to keep moving. Great race, my man. Go ahead and get some water. Finish through, my man. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish, finish, finish. There we go. Great race, my man. Go ahead and get some water, all right? Great race. Great race, my man. Great race. Finish through. There we go. Finish, 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 finish. There we go. Get some water, my man. Great race, y'all. There we go, my man. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. Finish all the way through. There we go.
Now we're supposed to,
Go ahead and get some water.
I like how we can get over or under almost anything.
Yeah, I think you're right. Super big. It's gonna be a good day.
Finish through. There we go, my man. Now go ahead and get some water. Go ahead and get some water.
Dave, we got 6 more out there. Just give you a heads up.
I appreciate it. There we go. Finish through, my man. Finish through. Go. There we go. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Do your best to keep moving. Try to control your breathing. There we go. Finish, my man. You gotta finish. All the way through. There we go, my man. Great job. Finish. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Finish all the way through. Go ahead and get some water, my man. Great race. That worked. Way to finish. Come on, my man. Finish. Y'all gotta finish. All the way through. There we go. All the way through. Finish. Good. Go ahead and get some water.